Hello, my name is Dr. Coca, and in this video we're going to be doing part B of the Grignard reaction experiment. So in part A, we took bromobenzene and added magnesium turnings to make a Grignard reagent. So now we're going to take that Grignard reagent and use it to do a Grignard reaction. So there's two possible procedures. So procedure one is reacting that Grignard reagent with benzophenone. Procedure two is reacting the Grignard reagent with dry ice or CO2. So I'm going to use benzophenone. So benzophenone, you want to weigh out about 1.5 grams of benzophenone in a beaker. Add about 3 mLs of ether, and take our Grignard reagent from part A and add it to benzophenone. So here is our Grignard reagent. As you can see, is a very deep brown color, and I have allowed that Grignard reagent to cool to room temperature. So I'm going to remove the rest of this setup and take a glass pipette and transfer the Grignard reagent slowly into our benzophenone. So when we start to do that, you'll notice a solid forming, a white solid forming in our reaction. So we slowly add the rest of it. We want to make sure that we don't transfer the magnesium that has not reacted anymore. At this point, there's very little actually of magnesium that hasn't reacted. Most of it has reacted. Okay, and after we have transferred all of the Grignard reagent, we're going to add a couple of mLs of ether into our reaction flask where the Grignard reagent was made, and we're going to also transfer that. So this is an important step. Anytime you're transferring a reagent, a product from one piece of glassware to another, it's always a good idea to rinse that original flask to make sure that we transfer everything over. So if we let this sit for a few minutes, we're then going to place it on ice, and at that point, so it's a pretty deep sort of reddish color. We place this on ice, and then after 5 minutes on ice, we add 6 molar HCl to destroy any unreacted Grignard magnesium turnings that have not reacted at this point. We can move on to the next part of the experiment.